Capture devices. Not all systems are equipped with a capture card, but if your system is equipped with a capture card, this is a feature that you would be able to use. To access capture devices, choose capture devices, and the three different options you have are fisheye, equirectangular, and picture-in-picture. What this essentially means is if the device you have plugged in via HDMI is showing a full dome fisheye, you would use fisheye. If it is showing an equirectangular video or image, which is a 360 video or image, you would choose that. Almost everything else is going to be picture in picture. Once you've established what you're using, you would select that. The first time you do it, you're going to need to come in and select Tab in the Composer window, navigate to the appropriate chapter, and under the spout, you'll see the three capture cards here. We have fisheye, picture-in-picture, and equirectangular. And to select the proper capture card, you would select that spout cell, and then under capture device, select the appropriate capture card. In most instances, it's going to be a Blackmagic MK 4K capture card. So again, you would select that and the image would then show up. My computer is not equipped with a capture card, therefore it is not going to display anything. But this is where you would choose what capture card is being displayed.